no clue is not in her. On the videos today. Today I have another wig, and this wig is by Sister Wigs. The name of this wig, excuse me, is CFRV Dale. Now I've not heard of this, and it says that it's a 2-in-1, 2 colors in 1 style. So I don't know what that means, but this is the wig. It says it's reversible, 2 colors in 1 style. Again, the name is Dale, and it just says dual colors. So let's open it. I haven't even opened it to see what it's about. So I just want to read and see what it says. Fine fibers. Let's see if it's heat safe. Gives you wash instructions. It doesn't say if it's heat safe. Comfy cap. This is a full cap wig. That's the way it looks. So let's just open it up and see what it's about. Okay, so it look like it has a comb in there. So it's more like a half wig. So you have a whole comb across the top here. And then this is the wig. This is the inside of the construction. And this is a comb in the back. So you just get those long combs. So here are the curls. And they're really pretty. Look at it. Now let's go through the cap construction from the inside. You get, looks like you get a, one track goes back, and then the rest of the tracks are really close together so that you can't see through. And then to the top, you get it where you can't see through it as well. Okay, so this is the unit on, and I did go in and just take out a little bit of my edges. This unit has surprised me because it is super cute. I mean, it really gives you a natural look once you start going through and combing out those curls and make the style your own. So what I'm doing is I'm just going through and I'm just using my fingers, and I am just combing the curls out and just kind of shaping it. As you can see, the unit doesn't really come in a shape, which is a good thing because you can go in and cut it and, you know, maneuver and do whatever you like to do with it. I think the curls and the texture and everything is perfect on this. It does give you a little bit of fuzz, so you will see me putting the curls back together, but I think that, you know, that's what makes it look so natural. So I'll come back to you at the end and give you my final thoughts on Miss Dale. Okay, this is the final look for Dale, and I will tell you that the name didn't sound so great, but the style is really cute. So let me give you ladies a 360 real quick of the wig. This is how I personally styled it. So this wig has so many styling options. So this is the front of it. And I literally just went in, as you saw, and just kind of pulled out the curls up to the top a little bit and made it like a fro. You can, like I say, there's multiple styling options. So that's just what I did. So that's this way. And then this side, it's all symmetrical. It doesn't sit on your neck, so you're good with that. And then this side. So this wig, let's get into some pros and some cons. First of all, one con will be if you're looking for lace, this wig does not have any lace on it, and yeah, you get no lace. You do get 2 combs. Those 2 combs in the front, you can use those, or you can choose not to use those. If you can use just a little bit of it. I don't think I used them because the cap construction is tight, so I just pulled it up and I put some pins on the side, and that's pretty much how I rock it if I was to wear this unit. The other thing is the other con that I have is going to be the hair texture. It is a very, it's a yucky hair texture. So I think once the curls get pulled out, it does get fuzzy, because you can see it like on this side how it gets fuzzy. So it's not going to be something you want to like wear, one, every day. And 2, if you do pull the curls out of it, you probably going to have a hard time getting the curls back, or you're going to have to do the hot water method and put rollers in it to get curls back. Now that could be a positive for some people because it looks super natural. So since it looks so natural, you can bush it out and it literally will look, you know, like you just got your hair in a cute little fro. or you just got your natural out working it for the day. So that'll be a positive for some, a con for others. The other thing is it's just one shape. Some people may want it to be like shaped. It's no shape. You got to shape it yourself. So getting into the pros of the unit, the first pro I will say is that it looks natural. There's no shine. It's not too much hair. The hair density is great. It's an easy everyday wig to throw on. You don't have to worry about any lace. You don't have to worry about plucking apart. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So I think that all that is just like bing, bing, bing is like a pro. So I think that will, you know, make people make their mind up on buying a wig. So the next thing is it doesn't, it's not long, so it doesn't sit on your neck. That's a great thing. Also, as I mentioned when I first started, you can just style this wig any way you want. Like you could literally pull up and of course wear a black cap. You could take a little bit of hair out and you could pull up the sides on this and you could wear it pulled up in some type of style like this, where you have it in either a ponytail or you do in some type of faux hawk, because the curls are so pretty and like it's so nice and thick enough for you to be able to do that. And like I said, all you would need to do really is come in here like this and put a couple of pins in here and you could pin it up. You could pin one side up, you could pin, you know, the other side up. I think you can also probably pull it up into a ponytail. If you was to pull your hair out in the front, you could probably get a nice ponytail as well. Also, you can style it where it would be, let me move this, where you could have it to be in the center like so, where you have it pushed up in the center. You could style it like that as well. Okay. You see how I just pulled a little bit of my hair out right here in the front and lifted it. And you could style it something like that as well. I just feel like this wig has so many styling options with it. Now, I don't know. I know I didn't review it on my channel, but it's a wig and I'm not sure the company called Antonia or something like that. If I find something, I'll link it below. It slightly reminds me of that. The only difference is the curls are light. It's not heavy on this one. And I think that one, the curls may have been a little bit heavy or thicker. So if you have that wig, it puts me in mind of that wig. But I will tell you, this wig is so cute. This wig is super, super cute. It looks so natural. If you're in that stage where you haven't grown your hair out yet and you are just like, you know, I'm gonna grow my hair out, but I just kind of haven't, or you going through some transition phase, this hair is really cute. And let me see what colors it come in. It looks like it come, y'all, this hair come in so many colors. It comes in a 1B 299J, indigo blue, RVT 2730, 3033, burgundy, purple. I mean, you name it. It even comes in a gray color. So you can literally get this wig in any color you want. I think that it's a fabulous find. I'm glad that I ended up getting this wig, and I'm not sure where I got it from or who sent this wig, but I will link all that in the description box below. So I don't think I have any more else to say about it. I think she's super cute, and I think she is great for us natural women who do not want to do, you know, our hair every day, and we just want to look slaying really quick. This is the way to go. So if you ladies are interested in picking up Dale, I will leave all the information in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscription button. And if you like, hit the bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to share my video, this video, or any of my videos on my channel. And if you do share them, tag me in it. My name is Beauty by Mark. Thanks again for watching. Bye.